Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate UnitedHealthcare gym membership benefit, fitness guide step by step clearly. To activate your UnitedHealthcare gym membership benefit, begin by reviewing your insurance policy. Log into your UnitedHealthcare account on their official website. Navigate to the benefits section to locate your gym membership details. Check if a fitness benefit is included in your plan. If you find the fitness benefit, explore the options available to you. Look for a list of participating gyms or fitness centers. Choose a gym that is convenient and meets your fitness needs. Contact the gym directly to confirm they accept UnitedHealthcare benefits. Ask about any specific requirements needed to activate your membership. Gather necessary documents, such as proof of your UnitedHealthcare plan. Complete any required forms provided by the gym. Submit the paperwork either online or in person at the gym. Once your membership is approved, confirm your activation with the gym staff. Start your fitness journey by scheduling your first visit. Remember to check for any additional perks offered, like fitness classes or personal training sessions. Stay committed to your health and fitness goals with your new gym membership. Review your UnitedHealthcare benefits regularly for updates or new offerings. Utilize the online resources or mobile app for tracking. Seek support or advice from gym staff to maximize your experience. Stay motivated and enjoy the benefits of your UnitedHealthcare gym membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.